just because you've been denied, if anyone here has been denied, that does not mean that that's set in stone. You can always get a reconsideration. That's how I increased my credit limit $15,000 overnight. Is I applied for reconsideration. I told them, "Hey, I don't think the information that you have is accurate. Take a look at this, and then they approved me." So, if you've ever been denied specifically with any bank, every single credit card has something called a reconsideration line. So you guys write that down. Question is, I have an internal FCU score of 302. What is the average? Is this good or bad? So I would say 302 is good. It's not great. So to answer that question, 450 is the highest internal score that you can have with Navy Federal. And I know a lot of people ask me, how do I find my internal score? Now, sometimes, not very often, if you have the portal, if you have a Navy Federal login and you have a portal, you can message them in the portal and ask them, tell them that you're looking to, maybe apply for a mortgage or looking to apply for a loan or a line of credit. And you just want to know what your standing is with Navy Federal and if they can provide you your internal score. Now, they are not required to do that. So it depends on the agent that you get, whether they will actually give you the score or not. But this is the second way that you can find out your internal score is if you've ever applied for any sort of product with Navy Federal and you got denied, then you receive a letter in the mail. On the back of that letter in the mail, it gives you your internal score. So that's how I actually found out my internal score. So if you guys watch my previous videos about Navy Federal and I told you guys how I was trying to get a credit limit increase and I got denied, that's how I found out my internal score. And key with that is just because you've been denied, if anyone here has been denied, that does not mean that that's set in stone. You can always get a reconsideration. That's how I increased my credit limit $15,000 overnight. Is I applied for reconsideration. I told them, "Hey, I don't think the information that you have is accurate. Take a look at this, and then they approved me." So if you've ever been denied specifically with any bank, every single credit card has something called a reconsideration line. So you guys write that down. Reconsideration line. It's a number that you can call. You can call them and say, "Hey, I was denied for this credit limit increase or for this credit card or for this loan. And these are the reasons you said that I was denied. And I don't agree with these reasons. I want a reconsideration." Now, if you contact the reconsideration line, you should have those items that they stated were the reasons you were denied. You should have supporting evidence as to why that's inaccurate. So, for example, with me, I was denied and they said it was because I didn't have enough money in the account for what I was requesting. So guess what I did? All I did was make sure that at that time I had $10,000 in the account. So when I called the reconsideration line, I told them, "Hey, look back at my checking account. I have $10,000 in there." They approved me right away. So definitely, if you did not know that before, write that down. If you've ever been denied or if you've ever been denied a credit limit increase, you can always be reconsidered. Okay. If you have not joined our free Facebook private group, Business Credit Secrets for Entrepreneurs, Financial Freedom for Entrepreneurs and Established Business Owners, then you need to click that link down below so you can get all of the news first. We talk all about business credit in the group. So we are going to do some amazing things in there. So if you have not had a chance, please click that link down below and join the group now.